All right, welcome back, everybody. I have some news for you. It's not great news, especially for football fans, French football fans, fans of the English game, and in particular, fans of Manchester City. You are going to want to sit down for this one because this is some terrible news. And um, I just want to say to the alleged victims that we hope that you get justice, and the same for the accused, because these are very, very serious charges. You know what I mean? And this is not the kind of thing that we like to hear. We don't like to hear about our young women getting assaulted and our young black professionals throwing away their careers, because that's what it seems like at this point. Because this kind of thing is a stain on a career and a very traumatic event in a young lady's life. All right. So let's not forget about the victims while we go through the story. All right. Manchester City defender Benjamin Mendy has been charged with 4 counts of rape and 1 count of sexual assault. Authorities in the United Kingdom said the alleged assaults occurred between October 2020 and August 2021. So, from October of last year up to this month, very recently. Mendy is currently in police custody and due to appear in court Friday. There is a tweet from Robert Harris. I'll just go through it. The Crown Prosecution Service (CPS) has authorized the Cheshire Constabulary to charge a man in a connection with allegations of sexual assault. Benjamin Mendy, aged 27, has been charged with 4 counts of rape and 1 count of sexual assault. The charges related to the 3 complainants over the age of 16 are alleged to have taken place between October 2020 to August 2021. Mendy of Withney Lane, Pritzbury, has been remanded in police custody and is set to appear in the Chester Magistrate Court on Friday, the 27th of August. Cheshire Constabulary and Crown Prosecution Services would like to remind everyone that the criminal proceedings against Mendy are live and that he has a right to a fair trial. The club now. The response from the club is the Manchester City announced Mendy has been suspended pending the outcome of the investigation. The matter is subject to a legal process and the club is therefore unable to make further comment until the process is complete, the club said. City signed Mendy for $52 million in July 2017 after he helped AS Monaco win League One in 2016-2017. He played just 5 games for the club before suffering a torn ACL, and further injuries have limited his impact at the club. The 27-year-old has logged 75 appearances across all competitions. Mendy started in City's 1-0 loss to Leicester in the Community Shield and played 78 minutes in the team's 1-0 defeat to Tottenham Hotspurs in the opening 2021-2022 Premier League season. A very sad story, one that comes out of the blue, but sadly enough, it is not a new story. It's not original. We have seen this before with footballers. Not to call any names, but we've actually seen footballers go to prison for sexual assault, rape, statutory rape, etc. Not to say he's guilty or innocent, but we will watch to see the outcome. And like we say, we hope to find out the truth, if that is possible, and that justice is served, and the victims and Mr. Mendy will get what is right in the eyes of the law, or the right outcome in the eyes of the law, and it will be as fair as possible. You know what I mean? Because a rape is a traumatizing event and a life-changing event, and can be quite a life-ruining event. if one doesn't have the mental capacity to get over something like that, which is very tough. All right, guys, not the kind of news that we like to report, but please like and subscribe if you can. And I want to thank you for supporting us as we move closer to 1,000 subscribers. We're a relatively new channel in this space, and we are thankful for the support we have received. So we'll see you next time. All right.